How to contact NordFX customer support. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to contact your NordFX customer support, first of all launch open your NordFX app or website and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and get to the support tab from the left hand corner, click on it, and on the next page you'll see this contact form. Select the department from the drop-down, choose the department you want to connect with, enter the subject for your problem or issue, describe your issue in details in the message box, and then check this I'm not a robot box, and finally click submit message. You can also send in an email to support@nordfx.com, which is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Simply go ahead and send in your query to that email if you ever need support via email. You can also contact the support team via Telegram, and that's it. That's how you can easily contact the support team for NordFX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.